Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical 2D drawing in SolidWorks 2025. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, select New, and select Part and select OK. Now go to Front Plane and Sketch. Now draw the two circle from origin to circle draw. Now I am going to smart dimension. This circle dimension 44 and this circle dimension 22. Okay, select. Now go to 3-point arc. Now go to center point arc. Now this point select and click here and here. Make center circle. Okay. Now go to smart dimension. This arc dimension 70. Okay. Now select. Now go to draw line for construction line from origin. Select. Now again draw here center line. Select. Now go to smart dimension. This center line and this center line 20. Okay. Now go to mirror and select arc center line about this center line. Okay. Now just move here and here. Now go to 3-point arc slot. This point select and this point select. Now this point click. Now go to smart dimension. This are dimension 20. Select. Now again you can use offset or again slot as you wish. This point select, this point and this point select. Now go to smart dimension. These are dimension 10. Okay, select. Now draw the line here. Now draw the line here, vertical line. Now go to smart dimension. This line and this line distance 10. Okay. Now go to draw arc here. Make arc here. Select this point. Now again here make arc. Okay, select. These are control this circle tangent. Now these are control this arc tangent. Okay. Now I am going to this arc control this arc equal. Okay. Now go to this R select chain. Now go to mirror. Sorry. Now go to mirror and select this R individually. You can select this line and this arc. about this center line. Okay. Okay, make our job. Now go to again draw another job this side. Now go to circle draw here. To circle draw. Now here to circle draw. Now here this to circle draw. Okay. Now go to smart dimension. Now this circle dimension 24 and this circle dimension 10. Okay. Now this point and this point distance horizontally 35. Okay. Now this point and this point vertically distance 45. Okay. Now select. Now this point control this point vertical. Okay. Now I'm give the dimension this center circle and this line dimension 100 150. Okay. Now I am going to this circle dimension 30 and this circle dimension 50. Okay. Now this circle dimension 24. Now this circle dimension 10. Okay. Now this point and this point distance 20. Okay. Select. Now this point control. Okay, I'm going to this point control this point horizontal. Okay. Now I'm draw here center line from circle point and again draw another center line. Now give the two center line degree between 30. Okay. Now select. Now I am going to here make center arc draw 3 point center arc draw here make center line. Okay. Now I am going to below these are radius below 49. 49. Okay. Select. Now I am going to here select 3 point arc slot. This point and this point select. Okay. Again here this point and this point. Okay. Now go to smart dimension. This arc below 17. Okay. Now these are below 10. Okay, select. Now I am going to here select line tools, click here and here, select. Now this line control this circle tangent and this point control this circle coincident. This line control this circle tangent. This point control this circle coincident. Now go to 3 point arc here and here select. This arc control this circle tangent. This arc control this circle tangent. Now go to smart dimension. These are dimension 11. Okay, select. Now again 3 point arc draw here. This circle and this arc. This arc control this circle tangent. This arc control this arc tangent. Now I am going to here below radius 10. Select. Now I am going to here select 3 point arc. Now select this circle and this arc. Now this arc control this circle tangent. Now this arc control this circle tangent. Now I am going to below here select 25. Okay. Now go to trim. Now here select trim to close. Now cut this circle and this circle, this arc and this arc. Now cut here. Now cut here. Select cut here and here. Okay. Select. Now they are under defined. Now I am going to check what is problem. Okay. Now this point control this central line coincident. Okay. Now these are control, these are tangent. Okay. Now again here check, just move. These are control, these are tangent. Okay. Okay, make our job. Okay. Now check the job. Okay. Now everything is okay. Now I am going to check. Okay. Okay, now they are fully defined. Make our job. Thank you all everyone share and like. If have any ask you can write comments box.